If you want to check if your Messenger account is hacked, this step by step guide will help you find unknown logins and secure your account on iPhone. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now, tap on the three-line icon in the right hand corner, then go to the settings and tap on Account Center. Next, tap on Password and Security, then select where you're logged in. This is the most important step. Here, you will see two accounts, Facebook and Instagram. Then tap on Facebook. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently logged into your account. Um, Check carefully. If you notice any unknown device, location, or suspicious login, tap on it and select Log Out immediately. After that, go back and tap on Change Password. Then again, tap on Facebook Profile and set a strong new password to secure your account. After that, again go back, and you should also enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. So, yeah, that's how you can check if your Messenger is hacked and remove unauthorized access. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more security tips. Thanks for watching.